First,
Yan.
siguro if you're a parent na you have a special child, first is you accept it. Kasi may reason ang
Acceptance is
Lord.
key.
Yes, acceptance is the key kasi hindi mo malalove, hindi mo siya ma-understand. Number two, look for a support group or community. Like
Mm.
dito sa Sikihor, I'm going to start a community of parents na merong under spectrum or generally parents. Masama-sama tayo, magpalakasan tayo. And number three, sa lahat ng community, in public places, kahit saan man, opisina, mall, parks, please be kind. And we need your extra patience and be more compassionate sa mga batang ito. Kasi lagi nating sinasabi na saludo tayo sa lahat ng mga nanay. Kasi nurturer sila. How much more sa mga nanay na merong special child.
Actually, no, there's no harm in being kind. Wala
Mm.
namang masama kung magiging mabait ka at mapagbigay or maging alam mo yun, how you respond to situation and to people shows your character.
Naman kasi ako ang ako bida ngayon.
Oo naman, oo. Tsaka it's really enlightening, no? Nakita ko yung ganitong perspective na, ganito pala yung tawag, ganito pala yung dapat na approach. Ito pala yung pinagdadaanan ng mga... Anyway, so thank you very much for... I hope maraming nakarelate at marami ding natutunan yung mga listeners natin at viewers natin.